Hello everybody! Happy Thanksgiving! Actually, it's not Thanksgiving yet. It's almost Thanksgiving, so we are making one amazing craft. A paper turkey! Gobble, 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 gobble. Let's get started. Okay, so here are all the things we're going to be using. Various colors of paper, and blank paper, a pencil, scissors, glue, and some tracers. I am going to trace out the turkey's body with this big circle. Now we're going to use a smaller circle for making the turkey's head. This is the turkey's body. Look at the magic! Now let's make some feathers. I have beautiful colors to use. I have an easy trick for doing it too. Do you want to know it? I put them all together and I cut out. But before I cut out, I need to make the shape. Magic strikes again! Our feathers are ready! Here I have a black marker. I'm going to draw names on it. So who am I thankful for? I'm thankful for my parents. So I'm going to write my parents' name. Who else am I thankful for? I'm thankful for my sister. I'm thankful for my family. I'm also thankful for food. Because if we didn't have food, we wouldn't survive. I'm also thankful for shelter. I'm also thankful for money, teachers, who else am I thankful for? I'm thankful for you, viewers. Last but not least, I'm thankful for my friends. Our turkey's feathers are ready. Let's put the feathers together. I'm gluing the feathers at a turkey speed. Wow! Magic also helped this time. Now let's make the eyes. Well, to start off, we need white paper. So basically like that. See that little tiny thing? That's gonna be your eye. Cut it out. Let's glue the tiny eyes on the turkey. We've got our white part of the eye, but what about the pupil? Well, let's draw that with our marker. A little boop for you. Ooh, boop. Boop, you're small. Okay. Oopsies. Okay, we're done with the eyes. You should have glued them on. Our turkey needs a gobbler and a beak. A red gobbler. And a triangular beak. This turkey looks amazing, but I think it's missing something. Maybe some legs? Yeah, let's make them. We're going to glue them on in a zap. Our turkey doesn't stand very well, so I'm going to do something to help her. My mom helped me cut out the shape, which is going to help her. We're going to put it on the back, like that. Wow, doesn't it look amazing? Wow, she's standing! Let's add webbed feet. Okay, I'm done with the webbed feet. Our turkey is ready.